Greetings, denizens of planet Earth. Hope you're doing well this morning. Tim Kreitz here, another Tim Kreitz Adventure. Gonna do another ghost town ride today. This time a little bit different than the ones previous. We're going to the ruins of Fort Lancaster, Texas. It's an old ghost fort. It's maintained by the Texas Parks and Wildlife System, but it is, generally speaking, a giant field of ruins. A very interesting place with an interesting history, and I hope you'll ride along. Let's do this.
It's awesome. Really cool.
All right, we've got 4 riders today. And one is actually playing catch-up. He's going to meet us in the town of Rille, Texas, and then ride the rest of the way with us. So let's head to the ruins of Fort Lancaster, Texas.
Guess that's true, but I ain't ever bored. I sometimes try to do things right, but I get too high having fun.
Pecos River Bridge. What's up, kids? Oh yeah, look at that. Man, that is beautiful. I have never seen so much water in the Pecos River in my life, man. Look at that. That is awesome. What are y'all doing out here in the middle of nowhere? What are you guys doing out here in the middle of nowhere? Just hanging out, huh? It's a beautiful day, huh? I've never seen this much water in the Pecos River. Pretty awesome, man. All right, you guys be careful. Have a good day. Random kids in the middle of nowhere walking down the road. I'm pretty sure they were space aliens. All right, here we are. The ruins of Fort Lancaster. We made it, son. I don't know. Surely not. That's weird. Don't tell me we came all this way and then we can't get out there.
There's an office right there.
Okay. We're going in there. Huh? We're going in there. One way or another. road to San Antonio. I bet it doesn't go there anymore. Man, can you imagine actually having to live out here in the 1850s?
No.
That would have sucked. J.H. Norris from Marshall, Texas. Died November 19th, 1861, 24 years of age. Very cool place. Lots of history there. All right, now we're going to do one last thing before we start heading back toward home. We're going to go up to the top of the observation point at Old Government Road. It's a really, really cool place. You'll dig it. And here we are. Some more bikes up here. Oh yeah, look at that, would you? Now that's a view.
I'm impressed with the little trial. Wow. Hell, I wasn't even scraping pegs. I could have gone a lot faster. I just can't remember. I didn't remember the turns exactly. Right.
Sweet, what a wonderful view. What a great place. I'm so glad I live in West Texas. All right, guys. We'll take you back down the mountain and then I'm going to sign off. Hope you enjoyed the moto vlog. I know I did. Do me a favor as always. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought as always. Till next time, God bless you.